Alright, so hopefully you guys are rocking and rolling and made it to the back. If not, just hang tight, just switch over this side for a minute. Let me explain how this works. This one, really just pick out the numbers and switch them around. It's not a lot of work here either. But just to get this started, something I want to show you first. It's a guy jumping over a house. So let's watch this guy jump over this house. And there he goes. That's cool. One more time for good measure. If you're curious, this is called a Russian swing. Alright, cool. So, alright, let's talk about switching the formulas. So going from recursive to explicit. You'll see here, I'm going to use these tools here. You'll see here, you have the recursive formula here. And the key things, here's the difference, which is right here also. And then you have the first term, which is there and there. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. So this is the common difference, stays the same. And then you also have the, where's my other color? The first term is here, first term is here. Okay, so let's make those distinctions here also. Here's your first term. Here is your common difference. So what I'm going to do is write this expression again, where it's a, let's darken this a little bit. You have a sub n equals a, this is what you will be writing, okay? Write down what I am writing, or typing in this case, plus, okay, this is what you'll have for all of them. The only thing that's going to be different is when you have whatever your common difference is. Here, it's positive 6, so it's plus 6. And then the rest of it, a is equal to, in this case, a is equal to 2. Okay, so that's how you do that. On 20 through 23, what I have in red here, you can copy that down to all 4 of these, and then just fill in whatever the common difference is, like we did here, and then fill in, just state what the first term is, which is given there also. Okay, if you're doing it the other way around, just work it backwards. Now you have the first term is here, which goes here in the equation. And then you have the common difference here, which is right here as well. Okay, so last thing on here, when you do the equation, this one is now the explicit formula, and I'll explain the application of the, no, I already explained that. Okay, cool. Well, I'll just go run through it one more time after this. an equals, okay, so now we're looking for the first term, which in this case is 5. The first term plus n minus 1 times d, which in this case is positive 8. Positive 8. Yep, that's all you need here. So to be clear, the things that will change here, that's this and this. The rest of the ones on this page, below these questions, you can type in what's not underlined in red here. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. You'll have some time to work on this. You'll have a quiz. Questions extremely similar to exactly what you're doing on here. So if you get the idea with this, quiz is going to be super easy. It'll just be a grade that'll help boost you up if y'all have time to take it. So with the application of this, so what I'll leave you with is the application. Let's say you have this sequence. Well, let's use one of the ones here. So if you want to find let's say we want to find the second term here. Second term. Then it would be 5 plus 5 plus 8. That's going to be, what is that, 13? Yeah. I can't do 3's on this thing for some reason. Whatever, you get the idea. If you want to find the third term, well, let's skip ahead. Let's go to like the fifth term. That's going to be 5, just like this formula, plus n minus 1 is 4. If we're finding the fifth term, the term before that is the fourth one. So it's 4 times 8. Okay, this would be the same thing as saying 5. 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. I don't know why this isn't working here. Plus 8 plus 8. Okay, you can do that either way. The application of this is if I was going to ask you for something like the 101st term. So then you would take the first term, which is 5. So it'd be 5 plus n minus 1. If this is n, then that means n minus 1 is 100. So 100 times 8. Okay, this would be 805. So the application of this is that doing this one little multiplication would be way easier than than adding 8 100 times. You can do it that way and you'll get it right, but just save yourself the trouble. Do it this way. Okay, so that will conclude it for this video. You guys will have time to work on this one, the rest of this page, finish up whatever you've got left, and then we'll go into the quiz or whatever goes next, just depending on the time remaining. Alright, here's the guy jumping over the house again. That's cool. Alright, good luck, y'all.